Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.